Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids class name. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color, O N E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3, T H R W 3. Kids now 4. The numbers of 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color, S I X 6. 7, S E V E and 7, 8, E I G H T 8. Kids again use blue color and draw 9, N I N E 9, 10, T E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color, 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use yellow color and draw 13. The numbers of 13, 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use red color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color, Kids again use black color and draw 17. The numbers of 17, 18. The numbers of 18. Kids again use black color and draw 19. The numbers of 19, 20. The last draw 20. And again use black color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.